All right, Burglar. Back here with you again. I'm on the FID daily chart, or FDI daily chart. I remember that weekly downtrend line that we had in here before, which was acting as the neckline. Notice how we touched it and got a bounce off of it, and we're kind of consolidating around right underneath here of this downtrend line that we had started towards the end of October here in 2009. Now, right here on the chart, we had the stochastics have pulled back as we're going down in this downtrend line. And as we're starting to move up here, we got a nice little cross here on the stochastics, and we're going to start trying to push up higher. Now, there's going to be sellers that are coming in here at this downtrend line, and once all that supply is actually eaten up, we should be able to get enough power to break through this downtrend line here. And then what we're looking at here on a risk reward basis on this trade is you're looking at a target here on this stock to come in right around 14.92 on the high of September 23rd. So what I said before, the end of October, sorry, it's actually the end of September. So we're looking at 14.92 as a target for the high here on a move of this downtrend line break. And somewhere you'd want to place a stop is right underneath this 14.25 level. So you have 42 cents on the upside and probably 30 cents on the downside. So it's better than one-to-one risk reward here. But the only thing is you got to keep in mind is, are you really trying to get 42 cents out of a stock that's only moved 50 cents down in a month and a half? 42 cents out of that is a pretty slow trader again. You kind of want to look for things that are going to move a little faster in order to make some more money using technical analysis. Otherwise, on a longer term trade, a trigger for me would actually be a break of today's highs here of 14.56 to actually trigger me to go long here and to actually break this downtrend line and look for that move to 14.92. I believe you asked me to go over one more stock, and I'm going to do that now. I went over AKM, SIC, and I will go over your last one, DEG, and I'm going to do that right now for you. All right, here we go. We got the weekly chart up of DEG. Notice from 2007, we had the actual highs here that I'm looking at, and we've had this downtrend line. Every time we've touched this downtrend line recently, we sold off of it. Once we finally got enough energy to break through, we came back and retested this downtrend line and this prior uptrend line, which we started in 2009, and we actually bounced off of that and came up to the up for the races, or ran up with the races. I don't know how I'm going to put that. But what I'm looking at here, basically we have this uptrend line, and we have this area of prior resistance, which will now act as support for this stock. This is between these two lines here. This is an ascending triangle pattern, which is a bullish pattern, and you look for a break to the upside. Right now, the volume's been pretty high the last couple of days. We gapped higher, and we just continue to move up here. We do have some overhead resistance coming in here, right around this 80 level, as you can see, which came in right around this 80 level on 6/5/2008 is going to act as resistance here. The stochastics on this embedded in the overbought doesn't mean this thing can't push up higher, but on a risk reward basis, you're looking at 80 as an area to sell if you have profit, or you're looking at an area right around here of, what is this, the open? We want the open of 74.30. So basically on a risk reward basis, this wouldn't be the best risk reward setup. If you're looking to buy this stock, you'd want to buy it on a retest of this prior support level. It will give you a lot better risk reward, because if you do break through this prior support level, then it's basically you take the loss and leave right then and there, and you actually look for 80 the upside with basically minimal risk here. Just real quick before this video ends, I got about 20 seconds. We have a doji candle here for Japanese candlesticks, and we have two spinning tops, which shows that there's sort of some sellers coming into the market here, although we're making higher highs and higher lows. There's a little indecision in the stock. It kind of looks like the stock may have ran up a little too far, and some sellers are coming in.